In this video, we're going to look at how you can build high-impact illuminated channel letters using the latest machines from LetterTech and the newly added 24-volt signature series from Bounce LED. Here's the standard profile of a channel letter. It has an aluminium back cut on a CNC router, formed sides, and a drop-in face made from opal acrylic. LED modules are installed inside. For ease of assembly, an additional light tray layer may sometimes be used. The first step is to cut the letterbacks and acrylic sign faces on the CNC router. We then form the letter edges using LetterTech's letter bending machine. These machines are purpose-built for sign making and use their mechanical arms to form and score the edge strips into shape. Here we are using 1.6mm aluminium that has been cut into strips. The formed edges and letter backs are welded together and sealed to prevent light leak. The Signature Series in 24-volt from Bounce LED is the go-to for channel letters like these. They deliver great power efficiency, series length and light quality, and come with an 8-year warranty. With excellent visual impact and external durability, illuminated channel letters are often specified for external building signage and retail signage. It's great for sign makers to be able to offer these as an in-house product, and technologies like the letter bender from LetterTech and signage-specific lighting modules from Bounce LED make this a reality. Whether you're just getting started or looking to expand your current capabilities, be sure to contact the teams at Bounce LED and LetterTech to talk about how they can help you get started. Put yourself in the best light with Bounce LED and LetterTech.